Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll see extra questions on the chapter 1, Our Environment. Fill in the blanks. First one, the average thickness of the lithosphere is about 100 km. Second one, fresh water is made available on land through the process of water cycle. Third one, the word biosphere comes from a Greek word bios means life. Fourth one, the greatest danger to the environment is from human beings. Explain the following terms in short notes. First one, environment. Environment is derived from the French word environner, which means surrounding. The term environment refers to external condition in which an organism lives. It includes things created by nature and human beings. Second one, lithosphere. The term lithosphere means rocky crust, the outermost layer of earth which includes the crust and upper part of the mantle and is made up of rocks and minerals, is called lithosphere. The uppermost part of lithosphere has a thin layer of soil. Third one, biosphere. The word biosphere is derived from the Greek word bios, which means life, and the Latin word sphere, which means total range. There is a narrow zone where the lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere meet and interact, supports life on the earth, and this is called living world. Fourth one, ecosystem. The complex system of interactions between different organisms and their physical environment in a particular area is called as ecosystem. Fifth one, urbanization. The number of people living in urban areas are compared to the total population of the country is known as urbanization. Sixth one, pollution. The disturbance caused to the environment due to the excessive exploitation of nature, unplanned and unwise use of technology for population, urbanization and industrialization is called population. Extra questions. First one, what is the importance of ecosystem? Answer, the importance of ecosystem is that the complex system of interactions between the organisms and their physical environment is a particular area like a chain system where they depend on each other. Second one, why did a Chipko movement take place? Answer, Chipko movement took place because of the indiscriminate cutting down of trees. Third one, what are the reasons for environmental pollution? Answer, the reasons for environmental pollution are overpopulation, urbanization, and industrialization. Fourth one, explain the relationship between geography and environment. Answer, geography deals with various components of the environment and it is also studies the interrelationship between the human beings and their environment, whereas environment deals with all the external conditions in which an organism lives. Fifth one, how have human needs undergone changes with the passage of time and technological development? Answer, most of their needs were fulfilled from the environment resources with a time, quantity and quality of humans' needs changed. They started developing techniques and new ways to use the environment like humans started processing various rare materials to meet their needs. Thus, the needs of human beings underwent changes with the passage of time and technological development. Sixth one, what are the problems faced by the world today? Answer, today the world is facing various problems due to technological and scientific development on one hand and overpopulation, urbanization and industrialization on the other, and environmental pollution is a result of unplanned and unwise use of technology, and we can solve these problems by keeping balance between the nature and human environment. Seventh one, why do you think the earth is a home to human beings and other living organisms? Answer, the earth is a home of human beings and other living organisms because of its favorable living condition which make up their environment. Eighth one, why is lithosphere very important for the progress of human beings? Answer, the lithosphere is very important for the progress of human beings because it provides land for building houses, roads, factories, and for agriculture, and it is also an important source of minerals and power resources. Ninth one, why do plants and animals depend on each other? Answer, plants and animals depend on each other because there is a ecosystem in our environment where the animals depend on plants for food. Plants depend on animals to get carbon dioxide, etc.